The creative process isn't as organized or delineated as this course may portray. Many of the topics we're covering overlap each other and cross-pollinate, creatively speaking. But for the sake of communication and brevity, I've systematized it. One thing is for sure, the creative process is an exploratory one, so developing a coherent approach is paramount in your pursuit of solving visual and strategic problems. Think of exploratory as a creative engine, and the research you've done is the fuel that will enable that engine to drive you to a successful design. If you don't do enough research, then your depth of exploring is limited to a smaller realm of ideas and potential you can glean from. The more research you do, the more fuel you have to explore a greater range of potential ideas. During the research stage, you'll get to know your client and their industry. This will no doubt spawn ideas on the fly. In order not to lose those ideas, it's good to harvest them as you proceed. You can simply do this by writing them down, doing impromptu thumbnail sketches, etc. Anything in order to capture the concept so you don't forget it later in the exploratory stage. Harvesting ideas is all about tapping the mind's power to take that information and make it useful by turning it into relevant, related visuals that communicate the intended message. The whole purpose of exploratory work is mining potential directions, not refining any one specific direction. So any direction is appropriate when you're doing exploratory work, and rabbit trails are your friend at this stage of the design process. In this chapter, we'll cover the following topics: concepting method, shape association, picking appropriate styles, ideation through sketching, isolating directions, only the strong survive. Exploratory work should be unbridled, free-range creative thinking with no holds-barred pursuit of creative ideas. So let your creative imagination run wild on your next logo project and see where it leads.